What does your journey look like, and what have you seen in your business space and the people you work with? Like, why do people buy tech and then it fails and adoption doesn't happen?
Yeah, I mean, listen, the adoption period is always the most crucial, right? Like if that period does not go smooth, then there is no success for the customer, there's no success for us. And so I would say it comes down to really being invested, truly being invested in the product itself and what it needs to do for your business. And what I mean by that is um, making sure that you as the customer are available, you and your team, you have put some thought behind using this product, and getting it to work. And so a lot of times what we see is the ones that do really well are the ones that are present during the onboarding process of being trained. They're available, they show up, right? They're asking a lot of questions. I think from a customer's perspective, this type of technology, contact center software, can be very powerful. At the same time, because it's so powerful, it can also be very challenging to operate because you can do a lot of different things with it, right? It has a lot of settings, features, functionalities. And so it really comes down to, as a customer, being clear about what your needs are. And the more you can prepare for that ahead of time, and on our flip side is doing enough of a discovery to understand the needs of the customer, what they're looking to do, then we marry that together. But the reason why I see it failing is it's not being present and showing up and participating during the onboarding process. I think a lot of customers expect this technology to just be set up, set it and forget it. It's not a reality we live in, and as much as AI may help you automate things, you still, at the end of the day, need to have some sort of administration and maintain things. Like, you can't just buy a house, right, and just sit in it and live in it and expect it to always function and be well and work. Over time, things go wrong. And so even if a house is brand new and built and working, eventually things go wrong. And so with this type of technology, you need to continuously monitor it. What we do is we have a customer success manager that will be assigned to the customer, and then they proactively work with them to identify challenges and areas of opportunities to improve things. And then it's up to the customer to partner with us to make those changes. But we see small businesses or any business, it's time and dedication. They don't always give that time and dedication because they're wearing multiple hats. And so that's the challenge that we see.